decides it wants to shift. Fix it. And we've got our shortening clear over there.
Can you give us a basic rundown for the folks that may have come late? First, we made the base of the tree.
Made the base of the tree.
That's corrugated plastic, and then we've got a circle underneath that.
The corrugated plastic is my work base for putting it onto the foil. Everybody's using these florist foils. This one is a poly foil, so that means it's plastic backed, but the foil itself is on the top side. It is not food safe. It's made for florists, so this green is going to come off. So the foam core, the cake is actually on the foam core that's going to get glued onto this thing. Okay, I cut a little triangle of the foil off, and then I put Elmer's glue on there, and then stick the foam core with the cake. I will move it off of the corrugated plastic onto this when I'm ready to start building it up.
Okay, so then you've got 2 layers of cake.
2 layers of cake to here, and then the styrofoam topper. It's too hard to get this with cake, so that's why I opted to get the point. So you can make this as big as you want. You can make it real cake if it's really big, but I highly recommend using a styrofoam topper on like this, just because it's more fun.
So this particular model, this cake you're working on right now, that's about half cake at the bottom, and the upper half is the styrofoam.
Yes.
Excellent.
From like here down is cake.
Got it.
Styrofoam.
How many would that feed? Well, one if you leave it here.
One if he eats it. Okay, so we put the 2 pieces together because I had greased them up, juiced them up, as I call it, with the Crisco. The shortening. It's not Crisco, it's shortening. Shortening. And then we're going to roll it this direction, get them to stick, pull it a little bit to get them to marry. You want them to marry. Marriage is a good thing. Okay, roll direction that you're going. Start pressing it out so we can run it through the extruder. The further you get it out.
Pasta machine.
Look at that.
Pasta machine.
Yes. I did it again, didn't I?
You did. Call it an extruder. It's okay. I'll correct you. I'll just jump in and correct you whenever.
That's okay.
Whenever I want to.
It's not cooperating.
Oh, look at that. What do you do when that happens?
You pick it up and set it down on it, and just know one of your sides is going to be the other side. It will stick. It's not that temperamental. Okay, I want these pieces off. Okay, use my knife to pick it up. Slide him out of the way. Okay, we're back at a 1. The pasta machine is going to make it stick to itself now. You just had to be able to get it to pick it up. This pasta attachment cannot be submerged in water, so I will have to wipe this down to get all the shortening off of it. There's my number 2. Okay, where's my piece? Okay, so we're going to set this on here. We're going to push down tight, push away. Tap it to release.
You ready for a couple of questions?
Yep.
Okay, how do you freeze fondant after it's like on the top of a wedding cake, and when they defrost? This person says when they defrost it, it turned to mush.
All right, I got a question for you.
Okay.
Did you take it from the freezer to the counter?
We'll wait for that chat. Here's the next question. What kind of fondant do you prefer?
Fondex.
Okay.
Fondex. Love my Fondex.
There you go.
Satin ice for the Southern California area. Cracks every single time.
For you?
For me. So my Fondex does not. Love my Fondex. So.
Yeah, we have lots of different decorators have their preferences. I think Fondex is from Cal Java International.
Yes. Cal Java International. And Fondex is made here in the United States.
Yep.
Okay, let's get this top up here. See how I'm kind of pinching them to get them to do fun little cute things? If you look, you can see that it looks like where I've got the bumps going is right here at the point, the up point. The up point right here, that's where I'm trying to make this part drape more, so I'm crossing it over at this up point. So watch. Setting that one here. See where that up point is right there?
What do you mean up point?
On the scallop.
Okay, gotcha.
See how I'm bringing that to go like this?
Gotcha.
I know my fingers are in the way. I'm doing this at the same time. Making the scallop wave. Okay, for
Okay,
the
good.
top, to end this, we're going to just smash it up here. Make it look whimsical.
Nice.
Doesn't it look really whimsical?
I like it.
Now I'm covering all this. I want to cover that seam where we joined right there. So, because my hands are still juiced up from the shortening, it gives it a shine. Okay. Here's our cute tree. Now you know what this tree needs? This tree needs
Some decoration.
color.
Yes.